Hi you all, your Nish Hair Hair is here. So today's video is all about us adding new colors and especially highlights into our existing successful products. For example, our backcombed wavy topper you guys always wanted and highlights. So this is what it'll look like if you have wavy curly hair. अगर आप सिर्फ टॉप से देखना चाहें तो like if you have curly wavy hair, this is the texture and these are the highlights. They're very natural highlights. I'll remove my hair. The texture doesn't match with my hair, so please don't laugh at it. Huh? My favorite product for scalp, which is our lace base topper, is now available in highlights. Tie it up too. This is a lace base. The parting looks gorgeous. And look at the highlights. Pretty, isn't it? Next up is our bangs with scalp, which is a pretty big topper and now because it has highlights in it. So it ends up covering a lot, and out of the lot, this is the most affordable one. In terms of you get coverage, you get your bangs. Look at it. This is my happy product. I don't know if you remember when I was in Vietnam, I was just wearing my bangs with scalp because it was raining so much and my own hair gets very frizzy. This is the photo right here. This is what it looked like. But this is with highlights. So you have highlights on top, you don't have highlights on the bang. This just changes my look. Right now I have no makeup on, but when I want to do something with my hair, this is the product. And now it's available in highlights. I'll show it to you what it looks like. This is the back. Cute, isn't it? I hope you like these products. I hope you like them in highlights. And thank you so much for watching.